right, how to download videos from Dropbox onto your phone. I'm going to assume that you have the Dropbox app, and the first thing you want to do is locate where the videos are that you're wanting to download. Now, there are two ways to download videos onto your phone. You can individually download one video, or you can download multiple at a time. If you're downloading just one, you would tap the three dots on the right and click Save Video. It'll take a minute to save it to your phone because I assume it's probably a big file. And then once it's done saving, it'll show up in your Photos app. There we go. If you want to download multiple videos onto your phone, click this button and highlight all the videos that you want to download. The three dots on the right and click Export, Save Videos. Now this will take longer because there are more videos, aka more storage and space that it's looking for to download onto your phone. Some issues you might have when downloading videos is you don't have enough storage, so you'll need to delete apps, delete photos, clear space on your phone to be able to allow space for the new video to be downloaded. Once they are saved, they will all show up in your photos on your phone. And that is how you download videos from Dropbox onto your phone. If you don't know, I'm Rachel B. Hughes, and I help creative entrepreneurs launch their side hustle so they can have the life and business that they love. Be sure to check out the Creative Side Hustlers Guide to book more clients so you can leave your 9 to 5.